Okay, so today is July the 31st, and we are going to take a look at how our trading algorithms have done. So we're looking at Minotaur Optimus 1 today. The suggested stock to buy is MNST. This is actually Monster, the drink, the energy drink, and we can look at the chart for so I'm going to look at trading view. So this is Monster, and this is the chart for today. So the algorithms suggested to buy today. Let me make this a little bit larger. Okay. Oh. To buy Monster at 77.22. This was the price that we recorded at 9:40 Eastern, and at close of day we had 78.48 for Monster. 78.48. It was losing for a little bit during the day, early in the morning, but then it recovered pretty well, and we close above the suggested price. It went down just a little bit post market. The trade will be closed tomorrow morning at 9:40 when sorry, not tomorrow because it's Saturday tomorrow. It's going to be Monday. Yeah, so this is the closing price today. So we are going to see what is going to happen tomorrow on Monday morning when we are going to close, because this is how our algorithm work. Yeah, so this is how they work. Basically, Minotaur Optimus is just one stock per day that is chosen among 100 stocks, and so we usually close the stock from the previous day, like in this case. You see, yesterday the stock suggested was very sign. It went up 0.74% relatively to when we bought it. And we bought Monster instead today, and today it was a pretty good day for Monster, and we're going to sell it on Monday, hopefully at an even higher price than what it closed today, and another stock will be suggested. This is the performance of Minotaur Optimus 1. This algorithm is trying to optimize using different sorting algorithms and a metric that is proprietary to Quantonomy. The performance has been pretty good. So last week we did 2.6%. This was the performance over a month. So if you go to the Alpha Hub page where this stock is featured, you can actually see all the different trades, and you can verify them that they are legit. So this is the performance over 3 months. There was a big jump here, I don't know exactly what is D4 2, and over 6 months is pretty nice, almost more than 500% gain, and over 1 year it's 941% gains. It has these are all the characteristics of the algorithm. The average daily gain, it's about 0.95%. When compounded, it can give us these amazing 10-pair gains in a year. It's dealing with one stock at a time and being a pretty aggressive approach. It does expose the investor to some risk. So the drawdown is pretty large. Probably this happened during April when actually the market was crashing, but in general we recover actually pretty quickly from the crash in April. The winning trades are a pretty good high rate, almost 60%. The profit factor is basically how large our gains are relatively to our losses is 2 times, 2.32. The Sharpe ratio, it's 3.02. That is a pretty good number, and anything above 2 is considered excellent, and 3 is a pretty good value for the Sharpe ratio. Yeah, so this is one of our featured signal that you can subscribe to every month. Okay. So I will see you on Monday when we are going to analyze the next choice of the algorithm. And I will show you other algorithms that we are using in our site. Thank you.